Set on over 9 acres of rolling landscape and wooded terrain, escape to tranquility with the feel of a mountain home at 4100-4 Almond Road in Fortson, Georgia. This home is like no other and is truly a hidden treasure in Muskogee County. This home is a handcrafted custom masterpiece in real estate with over 4,200 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and designed to overlook stunning views of the property from every room. This home exemplifies luxury and functionality by perfectly blending a natural and relaxed style with high-end finishes and unique details. Sit back, relax, and watch as we take you through this stunning custom home and 17-acre property. In addition to the master suite, there are 2 additional bedrooms on the main level, which are spacious and adjoined by a Jack and Jill bath. Upstairs is an awesome bonus area, as well as 2 large bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. This upstairs area is private and makes the perfect teenager's retreat or even an in-law suite. This home was designed and constructed with the seamless transition from inside living to outdoor living. This grand screen porch and additional decks overlook the amazing, breathtaking property with a restful place to relax and take in nature or entertain with friends and family. But when you're ready for adventure, it's in your own backyard. The trails and treasures of this 9-acre property offer year-round opportunities for exploring and experiencing all the grandeur of an outdoor lifestyle in a luxurious and peaceful setting. Who needs a vacation home when this is where you live? This is 3972 Essex Heights Court in Fortson, Georgia. Welcome home.